Fundamental 4, cardio accelerator. Now, this is a mistake that I used to make in the past. I was going and I was running on the treadmill trying to burn that fat off for my dear life. I was thinking if I go into the gym every day and I run, this is how to get that fat off. However, I was incorrect. I was just making myself a smaller human being. That just decreases your size overall as well as your muscle. You don't want that. As a busy professional, you want to make sure that you're prioritizing burning fat while maintaining the muscle that you currently have and the muscle that you're putting on in the gym. Ways to do this are low intensity, steady state cardio. That's the best method. Walking, increasing your day-to-day movement. If you're going to park your car in a garage, park it further so you can walk further to where you need to be. Okay, going for a walk on a day around your block after you eat. All right, walking on the treadmill on an incline. All right, and at a specific speed. You could do those and they have low impact on your body. So it's not going to be vigorous for you to do and you're not going to dread it. Another way is if you do decide to do high intensity steady state workouts, in other words, HIIT workouts, you're doing it for a minimum of 20 minutes. You don't need to supersede that duration of time because then it's going to start taking a toll on your body and start taking away from your gains. Remember, cardio is an accelerator. It's called cardio accelerator in my fundamental process because it accelerates what's already being done. It's not a main method of fat loss. It's an accelerator to accentuate what it is that you're already doing. So increasing the amount of physical activity you're burning throughout your day, as well as being in a deficit from your nutrition.